Arctic wolves, Canis lupus arctus, are a subspecies of the gray wolf that are adapted to living in the Arctic regions of North America and Greenland. Here are some key facts about the Arctic wolf. Arctic wolves have a thick white fur coat in winter, which helps them blend into their snowy environment. In summer, their fur turns a light brown or gray color. They are smaller and more compact than their southern gray wolf relatives, with shorter ears and a bulkier build. Adult Arctic wolves weigh between 75 to 125 pounds, 34 to 57 kilograms, and are about 4 to 5 feet, 1.2 to 1.5 meters, long. Arctic wolves are found throughout the Arctic regions of North America and Greenland, including Alaska, Canada, and Greenland. They live in a variety of habitats, including tundra, rocky outcrops, and coastal areas. Arctic wolves are well adapted to the harsh Arctic environment and can withstand temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius (-58 degrees Fahrenheit). Arctic wolves are carnivorous and mainly feed on caribou, muskoxen, and other Arctic prey. They are social animals and live in packs, which can range in size from 2 to 20 individuals. Arctic wolves are highly territorial and use scent marking and vocalizations to communicate with other pack members and defend their territory. They are opportunistic hunters and will scavenge from carrion and hunt smaller prey such as Arctic hares and lemmings when larger prey is scarce. The Arctic wolf is listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, like many Arctic species, they are vulnerable to the effects of climate change, including habitat loss and reduced prey availability. Arctic wolves are also hunted for their fur and to control populations of prey species. Arctic wolves have a thick fur coat that insulates them from the cold, but they also have several other adaptations to help them survive in the Arctic. For example, their ears are smaller than those of other wolves to reduce heat loss, and their paws are covered in fur to provide insulation and traction on icy terrain. Arctic wolves have a keen sense of smell, which they use to locate prey and communicate with other members of their pack. They can detect the scent of prey up to a mile away. In the Arctic, food can be scarce, so Arctic wolves have developed a unique feeding behavior known as surplus killing. This occurs when a pack of wolves kills more prey than they can immediately consume, and then cache the excess food for later consumption. Arctic wolves have a complex social hierarchy within their packs, with dominant individuals usually taking on the role of breeding and leading the pack. However, they also display a high degree of cooperation and communication, with pack members working together to hunt and care for their young. Like other wolf species, Arctic wolves have been the subject of myths and legends in various cultures throughout history. In Inuit mythology, the Arctic wolf is seen as a symbol of power, strength, and cunning. Arctic wolves play an important role in their ecosystem by helping to regulate the populations of their prey species. They are also an important part of the cultural heritage of indigenous communities in the Arctic. Climate change is a major threat to Arctic wolves, as it can impact their habitat and food sources. In addition, the loss of sea ice in the Arctic may increase the risk of human-wolf conflicts as more people move into the region for resource extraction and other activities. Overall, the Arctic wolf is a fascinating animal that is well adapted to life in the harsh Arctic environment.